Unlocking everyday English. Can we get a booth? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common phrase you might hear or use in restaurants. Can we get a booth? Understanding such phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also equips you with practical language skills for everyday situations. So, let's get started and unravel the layers behind this simple yet interesting request. Can we get a booth? Is a polite request often used in dining settings. A booth refers to a seating area in a restaurant that is typically more private and comfortable than a regular table and chairs. It's usually a bench-like seat that is either partially enclosed or set against a wall, providing a cozy dining experience. This phrase is not just about asking for a place to sit. It's about expressing a preference for the kind of seating you desire. When you say, "Can we get a booth?" you're doing several things. Making a polite request. The use of can makes it a polite way to ask for something. Expressing a preference. You're specifically asking for a booth, not just any table. Interacting in a social situation. This phrase is commonly used in social settings, showing your ability to communicate your needs politely and effectively. This phrase is perfect for use in casual dining establishments, family restaurants, or anywhere you notice the availability of booth seating. Here's how you can use it effectively. Upon arrival, as soon as you enter the restaurant and are greeted by the host or hostess. Be polite. Always accompany your request with a smile or a polite tone. Be prepared for any answer. The restaurant might be fully booked, or all booths might be occupied. It's important to be flexible with your seating options. Remember, the way you phrase your request can also make a big difference. You can add "please" to make it even more polite. Could we please get a booth? Understanding the cultural context of this phrase helps in appreciating its use. In many English-speaking countries, dining out is not just about eating but also about the experience. People value privacy, comfort, and the ambiance of their dining space. Requesting a booth is a way to enhance this experience, making it a common and well-understood request among English speakers. Moreover, using such phrases correctly demonstrates your familiarity with English-speaking cultures and social etiquettes, making your dining experiences more enjoyable and stress-free. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, "Can we get a booth?" It's a simple request that can significantly impact your dining experience, reflecting your language skills and cultural understanding. Keep practicing phrases like these, and you'll find yourself navigating English-speaking environments with greater ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language learning tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.